Hello my dear cuties, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about letter K. Few words that starts with letter K and the sound of letter K. This is a capital K. This is a capital K. This is a small k. This is a small k. The sound of letter K is K. The sound of letter K is K. So, let's see few words that starts with letter K. Come, let's see. K for kite. K, k, kite. K for kite. K for king. K, k, king. K for king. K for kiwi. K, k, kiwi. K for kiwi. K for kitten. K, k, kitten. K for kitten. K for kangaroo. K, k, kangaroo. K for kangaroo. K for kettle. K, k, kettle. K for kettle. K for key. K, k, key. K for key. K for kid. K, k, kid. K for kid. K for keyboard. K, k, keyboard. K for keyboard. K for kingfisher. K, k, kingfisher. K for kingfisher. Come, let's see it again. K for kite. K for k, k, king. K for k, k, kiwi. K for k, k, kitten. K for k, k, kangaroo. K for k, k, kettle. K for k, k, key. K for k, k, kid. K for k, k, keyboard. K for k, k, kingfisher. If you like this video, please click on to the like button and share button. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.